I know one thing, I've seen him train. We both train at the same club. The guy is a killer. He's fast, he's powerful, he's got a good ground game, his striking is very good, and he's tenacious. So Nike has got a tough fight ahead of him today.
Of course, I mean, he trains in Cross Train Fight Club, which is arguably the most decorated MMA gym in the entire country. So there's
One of the best ones.
I mean, great training partners for him.
Absolutely. Now making his way to the ring, Anubhav Kumar, also known as Cheetah, simply because of his speed and his tenacious ability. Started off with bare knuckle karate, Kyokushin karate, beating up dudes. Finally moved to MMA when he realized there was absolutely no scope in Kyokushin karate. You know, and basically, look, he was very clear with us. He's like, look, man, I fought karate for so long and I got nothing out of it. I started fighting MMA and now people at least know who I am. They know who Anubhav Kumar is, you know. Anubhav Kashyap, sorry, his name. Oh, sorry, Kumar.
It is Kumar.
I was right.
You were right.
Yep.
And you know that what he said is actually just a testament to the popularity, the growing popularity of MMA across the world.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, at this point it's so popular. I don't know, can it grow more popular?
Yeah, of course it can. I mean, the thing is, once these guys make it to the point where they're household names, where people who don't follow MMA know them, that's when you know you've made it.
And again, training under Mr. Siddharth Singh, who's again the most decorated Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu practitioner in the entire country. It's fair to say that he would be more than comfortable if the fight goes to the ground.
I absolutely agree. Even though one of his losses was a submission that he basically got caught in something he had never seen before, you know, and hadn't trained for that. So I think tonight he's going to really show his skills, showcase his skills against Nike Singpho.
What do you think, Prem? You're pretty close to Nike. What do you think he's feeling?
First of all, let me tell you about Anubhav. Anubhav comes from one of the best gyms in India, Cross Train. I cannot like take my I cannot stay away from it. It's one of the best gyms in India, Cross Train, and he has a nickname Cheetah. So you can definitely expect a lot of speed.
Yep, correct.
And I have a lot to say for Nike, and I would like to say something right before the fight starts, but let Nike come in first.
Anubhav talked about his game plan. He's basically looking to confuse Nike with his footwork, right? And I've seen him spar. This guy has got great footwork. He's planning to fight from the southpaw position to really, like, you know, disrupt Nike's rhythm.
Now, can we have the fighter from the red corner?
Ladies and gentlemen, Nike Singpho, or else you might know him as Train Singpho. 2-3 MMA record. Right now, after a long time, he's coming back to the cage again, being a coach. I think so. He has a lot of proof.
Yep. And more than anything else, he's one of the older fighters here, right? Like there's always something to prove when you get older. You're going up against a much younger fighter, someone who's already beaten you before. So there's that whole angle of redemption and revenge. Yeah?
So if the game goes towards Nike's side, you might be able to see a lot of technical brawling.
I love the fact that he's walking into one of the most popular pieces of classical music ever. Like,
That's exactly what I was
beautiful.
thinking.
I have trained with this guy. This guy's lethal in the gym. But the stories that he posts and the music that he's playing is always very serene and calming. That's a very altered character that you see about Nike. And I'm expecting a great fight tonight.
And a lack of experience is not going to be a problem for Nike since he's had 35 amateur fights and he's been undefeated.
Probably one of the oldest fighters to have graced Atul Ghosh's cage.
He's 34 years old.
Yep. That's fairly old for combat fighting.
I'll be I'll be really honest here. You know, I'll be really honest, and he's basically a bit old in the tooth, as you can see on the tail of the tape. Anubhav Kumar is 26 years old, relatively young. Comes in at 5'5", weighing in at 61 kilograms. Nike Singpho, 34 years old, 5'5" again, same height, and coming in at 61 kilograms, both fighting out of the bantamweight division.
Now we hand it over to Cargo.
And now, Cargo in the cage.
Check. Ladies and and gentlemen, this is the first professional fight of Aturto 2.3 Itanagar. And this is a grudge match! Fighting out of blue corner, weighing 61.65 kilogram, all the way from the land of gods, with roots in Kyokushin karate, all bare knuckle, from cross-train Delhi, it's Anubhav, the Cheetah Kumar. And fighting out of red corner with equal weight, 61.65 kilograms, a tactical brawler out for revenge. It's time! Nike Train Sigmo Gym Rangers!
Nike, Anubhav.
How would you define a tactical brawler?
Always fight hard, fight clean.
Someone who
obey my
likes
commands at all
the
times, protect yourself
inside
at all
fight,
times. Touch
right?
gloves if you
Someone who
want.
fights, likes to fight in the boxing range, but is still technical there. I mean, someone who basically understands fighting, but still chooses to brawl, right? I think that's what Nike is.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we go for the first round. The war is old, but the battlefield is new. Aturto 2.3. We start off with the pro bout. We have Nike Singpo against Anubhav.
Anubhav started there with the oblique kick, I think, and then went for a low kick.
And it's exactly that. He's showing exactly what he was going to do. He started off in the southpaw stance, threw a nice head kick, a leg kick. This has already gone longer than their first fight.
I was just going to point that out.
That
Takedown
must
attempt.
be bearing heavily on Nike's mind.
Of course it
I
is,
mean,
yeah.
you know, that's the first barrier he's got to cross.
Yeah.
It's got to be a lot more than 30 seconds. And then we'll see what the rest unfolds itself.
Anubhav pressing Nike up against the cage, looking to take him down, maybe use a variety of trips. He's kind of softening him up, blasting him towards the knees, stomping his foot, basically just softening up Nike.
Feet stomping, haven't seen that in a while.
It hurts. It might not be the most effective thing, but it really hurts. And
Especially in this cold.
yeah, in the cold. And what it does is it makes you make bad mistakes, right? Just because of the pain. It sucks getting stomped in the foot. It's not going to stop a fight, but it's still horrible to get stomped, especially with a nice, like, brutal heel. Like,
Yeah, I mean, I just saw Anubhav start off with an oblique kick, and you know that can be devastating if it connects. You know?
yeah, if it connects. And this is pro MMA. Remember, guys,
Yeah.
these guys can throw elbows. Like, the rule set is a little bit more conducive to free-form fighting, right? Like, you're able to do a few more other things, unlike semi-pro.
One thing I know, Nike Singpo is really difficult to take him down. He's doing the right moves not to go down. Anubhav, if it was anyone else, I think so Anubhav would have got him done till now.
Yeah, so far he has been doing a good job in defending the takedowns, but Anubhav is relentless.
Yeah, so what I really like about Nike is that exactly, that left hand. That left hand has that underhook, right?
Yeah.
And he's kind of using that to sort of like turn Anubhav the other way, to prevent the takedown. Anubhav has basically got to get away from that left hand. He's got to pummel inside and use his right hand to catch a body lock, and maybe that'll make it easier for him to take him
Right.
down. But Nike doing the right things here. The only thing, what he needs to do is he needs to basically create separation so he can get off some damage. Right now, these guys are stuck to each other, right? It's tough for Nike to get off any kind of shots here.
Well, he did say he's ready for wherever the fight goes,
Fight
but
goes,
would
exactly.
enjoy a good old-fashioned brawl.
Brawl, yeah. I mean, being a technical brawler, that's what he wants, right? He wants to throw down. He wants to get into the fight. But Anubhav, a little technical. What I think he's doing here right now is basically tiring him out.
Yeah,
So see, exactly what Nike needed to do was create separation.
right.
And he has done that. Both guys back on the feet.
Anubhav tried to take the same kick that he got him down with, but like Nike catches it.
Anubhav switched stance there for a little bit and immediately went for a body kick.
He talked about this, right? Talked about fighting in the southpaw stance. So basically what happens in the southpaw stance is it's the open side.
Yeah.
So anytime you throw your power kick, your opponent will probably take the brunt of it. You can see Nike is clearly prepared to take this fight into deep water. Like, he does not want to lose this one, man. Like, and who wants to take a loss, right?
Right.
Not the same guy.
He's not the same guy anymore. He's a little older, a little wiser, a little more meticulous in his training, a little more prudent in his style, as you can see, a little bit more
Absolutely.
careful.
Yep.
See, open side stance. Oh, I think he's got his hands clasped together.
Oh, yeah, I think he's going to get it. He's going to get the
He should
takedown.
get it. Yeah, he should get it. But Nike doing a really, really good job of holding Anubhav up, preventing him from picking him off the cage and turning him around.
Right.
What Anubhav can do right now is he can just basically reshoot because Nike is standing so tall.
Yeah.
He can just reshoot and try and get the
Nike
takedown.
gets the underhook again.
Yeah, and that underhook is preventing Anubhav from taking Nike down. It's that one underhook.
Well, Nike has been training with the younger guys in Abrasumente gym relentlessly. So I think that's going to play a huge role in this fight.
I've actually heard a lot of gym stories about Nike and how he's like, one of the better guys in the gym. It's just he wasn't able to put it all together in the cage, but today it looks like he has.
Look at that.
Spinning
kick.
kick didn't quite connect.
We're at the end of the first round. Not the most exciting round,
Yep.
but I think both guys were testing each other's limits. I think Anubhav realized, okay, he's going to have a hard time taking Nike down. And maybe he's got to change his strategy for the second round. It's a bit of a boring first round, that's okay. But what I think Anubhav was doing as well is when you put a guy up against the cage and the guy has to defend takedowns, he's also slowly tiring out, right?
Right.
Like, you're just pressing him up against the cage. He's got to be the one to dig the underhooks. He's got to be the one that tear you off the cage.
The only reason that Nike is not launching his couple of punches and striking because Anubhav is always ready to shoot.
Shoot,
Yep.
yeah.
That's
I
the
think-
only reason Nike is now approaching with his
I mean,
hands.
to be fair, that is one of the biggest reasons for a fighter not being able to strike, right? The fear of the takedown, the threat of the takedown.
But
I
I
think
feel
so-
Nike is going to...
No, I just about to say that so far Nike seems to have done a good job of conserving his energy. He did not spend too much of it. He looked pretty much at ease.
Yep, he's
So-
looking very calm. He's looking very collected.
Yep.
I feel like this round is going to open up more with his strikes since he knows that he can defend the takedowns.
I guess we'll see.
Again, open stance matchup. One southpaw, the other is orthodox. So the
Anubhav-
power kicks and the power punches are gonna hit
Yeah.
with real venom. Both guys feeling each other out. One thing I really like about Anubhav is he hasn't been hit with a single leg kick.
Oh, they're trading punches. I
that's
think he
brutal.
connected.
The
is
left
going for it.
hand
That
by
really
Anubhav
connect-
really hurt him, and he's going for it.
Well, I don't know
Nike
about the
seems to
technical
face-
part, but that's definitely brawling.
I was expecting Nike to open up with the punches, but then it's
Yeah, it's
who
Anubhav
has
doing.
opened up.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's Anubhav doing more of the work. You can see he's younger. He's got more gusto in him.
Right.
He's got more of that josh, as they say in Hindi.
And finally Nike
Look at
gets
that.
Anubhav to the ground.
And he gets him to the ground. Beautiful work by Nike.
But right now Anubhav is close to his own team.
Yeah.
You can see the cross-trained guys giving him very precise instructions of what to do, how to get up from this position. Again, you look at Anubhav's right leg, it's on Nike's hip, ready to push out. That's exact. See, he pushed him off. And Nike's
let's
going
see
to
what
Nike's going to
is
pull
Nike
him off the
looking
cage. He's looking to pull him off the cage because Anubhav is going to use the cage to get up.
Yeah.
But he calls him up anyway.
Gave him the time to say, "Come, just come up, let's do this."
Yep, technical brawler. That's what he is. I would like to see him open up with strikes a little bit more now.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
Anubhav is
Oh,
no
there
spring
you go.
chicken. He's good. See, Nike here needs to get separation, right? Once he achieves separation, then he can throw strikes.
Yes.
Here, you're not going to be able to throw strikes that hurts Anubhav. And Anubhav is just pressing into you, making life difficult for you at this point.
Absolutely. Even if he's defending these takedowns, he can't get comfortable in this position.
Yeah, he cannot get, because you're losing in this position, at least in the eyes of the judges. And what Anubhav is doing here is he's slowly chipping away at Nike's you know, energy levels.
Yeah.
Slowly, slowly, little bit by little bit by little bit by little bit. And from what I know of Cheetah, he can go. Like, the guy can go for 3 rounds at a relatively decent clip, you know. But Nike's takedown defense is looking really good. He hasn't been
Yeah.
taken down a single time. He's been fighting off, every attempt that Anubhav has tried on him has failed.
Anubhav, even being in a static pose, he tries to pick up everything. The thighs, the
Yeah.
knees, the couple of punches, little to the body, just like that.
As I said, it's that chipping away at the energy levels, right? Every knee is going to take a little bit out of you. Every elbow, every punch, every kick is going to take it out of you.
He got both the underhook. Nike is in dominant position.
Nike looking to take him down now. Precise instructions from the cross-train corner, what to do exactly. See, beautiful work by Nike. I think that was a nice elbow.
Was it an elbow or a shoulder strike?
I think it was an elbow.
I think Anubhav is actually communicating back with his teammate as well.
Yeah,
Which
oh,
is
nice shot.
not something you see a fighter do very often, especially during a fight.
Beautiful takedown by Nike. Anubhav tries to sweep, but the cage is holding Nike, letting Nike be on his feet. And again, Anubhav using that particular opportunity to pop straight back up. Like, it's really hard to hold this kid down. Like,
Nike is doing a good job in trying to sneak in that elbow in during the clinch.
and you can see, Nike's cornered by one of the better teams in the country as well. Manas and Mridul from Dojang MMA in his corner, shouting instructions, telling him exactly what to do. I mean, in many ways, this is a battle between some of the best gyms in the country, right? Dojang MMA versus cross-train. And you can see it, like, they're so evenly matched at this point.
Yeah.
Guys, clinch fighting may look a little boring, but this is the most grueling part of MMA. I mean,
Absolutely.
it drains your energy, it breaks you down, and it sucks, man, having your back against the cage. Like,
Yeah.
But the ref breaks them, puts them back into the
I think
center.
so that was a very wise decision by
Wise
the referee.
decision by the ref.
Because Sanju Bro is really not enjoying the fight right now.
No, not at all. Nothing like that. I'm just, like Andrew was saying, this gets very tiring, you know?
It does.
For-
It does
for-
get very tiring.
For the fighters to just kind of like be locked in that position.
And you
trying-
can see both guys have, their pop and their punches have gone down a little bit right now.
Yeah,
It's not
yeah.
there. You know, it's,
Because of all the clinch work.
yeah,
Yes.
it's the second round. This fight has gone so much longer than
Yeah.
their first fight. Right now we've got, it's a tough fight to judge. I mean, I'm so glad I don't have to be the one judging these fights.
I
Right?
agree. I agree.
It's not easy to judge. It's like,
Nike
who,
And as Andrew mentioned, when you have two fighters who are matched so well,
Yeah,
the
evenly
possibility
matched.
of having a fight with low action, I mean, it increases, you know.
yeah, look, high-level fighters generally are not going to finish each other all the time, right? You're going to get more decisions. You're going to get more
Yeah.
tactical game plans. Guys who are not just going to go brawl, like, you know, they're going to
Absolutely.
try and win in the best way possible.
Right.
Nike had made all the
Oh,
right.
that was
Probably
a
this
brutal-
sequence, wins him the round.
That sequence wins him the round because he really rocked Nike.
Yeah.
And if Nike was able to hold Anubhav down and do some damage, then maybe I could have given him the round there. But he just wasn't able to hold him down. He took him down twice, yeah, but Anubhav popped back up both times.
The thing about Nike is doing all the right defenses.
Yeah, he's using
But,
all the right takedown
but
defense.
to have his back towards the cage, I don't think so. Will be very favorable.
That's the
towards
only
him.
issue. That's what I'm saying. Like, judges will not be looking at it favorably, right? Like, you have your back against the cage for the entire round.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, the last round. Let's see.
Both guys,
There's a bit
They
of a
want to stand and
communication
bang.
there.
Let's go.
Is
They
that
wanna
what
stand
was-
and bang.
Is that what was agreed on?
Yeah, that's
mean,
it.
That's
Is
what
that
it
what they
looks
said?
like. We're going to find out really soon.
yeah, we're going to find. I don't think Anubhav is going to stand and bang with him, though. Anubhav is a little too smart for that. Like, he's like, yeah, I'm not going to throw that.
He shouldn't have to succumb to
Yeah.
his challenge like that. Because, you know,
Oh!
Beautiful
That
knee
was
by
a good-
Nike.
That was a good knee to the body. That definitely got his attention.
Nike needs to come out here.
Yeah, that was a
The
really
best thing
nice
Nike
knee.
can do in third round is not have his back
oh,
to
he
the
got
cage.
it down.
Oh my
He's
God, that was a
got
good
it
little
down.
shot. Just like that.
Beautiful spinning kick by Nike.
Oh!
That was a bit of a toss-up, really.
The older fighter
Now
is
this
really
is the
showing,
first time
huh?
we have like center stage, like both of them in the center stage and on the ground, not against the cage.
Nike listening to his corner. Anubhav doing all the right things.
Oh,
There you
Nike
go.
is looking for the brawl.
Oh, victory
He has a
round and
point to
round by
prove, it
Nike.
looks like.
He really
But
does
Anubhav-
have a point to prove.
Anubhav has his guard
Dropping
up.
in, dropping punches
Oh,
again.
now he's talking to him.
Oh, he's got an arm triangle. If he wants to, he can actually get an arm triangle here. He's got
Anubhav
a very,
is also
very
very
good grip.
smart. He has close to an X guard.
No. Right
Doesn't
now,
have it, doesn't have it.
it's basically almost a three-quarter guard. And if Nike is smart, he's going to pass that easily.
Slowly setting it up. Anubhav is being very smart.
He's gotten his arm out, and now he's looking to basically re-guard at this point.
Yeah.
Nike's already done a little bit of damage, but he
Nike
can afford
just
to do
looking
more.
for that little bit of space to finish this
And
fight.
more ground and pound.
Very smart. He saw that he was turning, puts him back on the mat. Beautiful work by Nike. Beautiful sprawl as well.
I don't think so. Nike is looking for a submission. He's looking for a little bit of space to
So he can throw
smash.
strikes. Yeah, he wants to throw strikes. He clearly wants to hurt Anubhav.
Yep.
2 minutes, 50 seconds to go in the final round. Nike, the older fighter at 34 years old, laying a beating on Anubhav right now. But Anubhav is also a tough customer. He's not like a cookie that crumbles, you know.
Right. I mean, he definitely has been here before.
He's been here before. He knows what the scene is. He knows what the deal is. He knows what to do.
Things are looking really good for
Things are looking good for Nike right
Yeah.
now. He's got a dominant position. He's on top, but he can't afford to make mistakes because as soon as he makes a mistake, Anubhav is going to try and take him down. See, he's already looking for a single leg. Nike wise to it, sprawls. If Nike wants, he could take his back right now, but I don't think he wants to. He just wants to get separation
Yeah.
and land some punches.
2 minutes to go.
In my opinion, Nike needs to stop Anubhav to win this fight. He might have lost the first 2 rounds
I
on
agree.
just points alone. And
Yeah.
here he needs to really get it, let
Yeah.
it go. I mean, it's either that or he gets a draw with a 10-8 round. And that's a little difficult. Like, you know, I don't know if he's done enough damage to call it a 10-8 round.
The crowd is definitely cheering on Nike.
He's the hometown hero. I mean, come on, yeah?
Is there space for Nike to stand up?
Yeah,
And
much love. One of the first fighters in Arunachal Pradesh. And you can see, like,
Yeah.
there's much love for someone like Nike. Like, you know, and he's dedicated his life to the martial arts. He teaches Adapro Semente.
Dude, I'll tell you one thing. Half of the prodigies that you have seen in Atuto has been a product of Nike Singpo.
Yeah, and all their boys must be cheering him on. They want their coach to win, right?
Absolutely.
But I'll be really honest here. Both guys are in a stalling position. They
Yeah.
either needs to let go, get out of this position, or like try something different.
Really.
There you
because-
go.
This is
All
I
right.
think they kind of agreed. Last 45 seconds of the match. Anything they need to pull out of their pockets,
I
now's the
think
time.
Nike needs to empty his gas tank right
Yeah, Nike needs to empty his gas tank now and really take it to Anubhav because Anubhav has recovered from the
Yeah,
punches now. You
yeah.
can
Last
clearly
30
see
seconds of the fight.
he's cleared the cobwebs off his head.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And he's moving forward now.
And he's moving forward. Nice knee though. Last 20 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. I think both guys are a little bit exhausted now. They've
Yeah.
really given everything. And the round
you
comes
go.
to an end.
That's the end of that. I'm just wondering, did Nike do enough, or is it going to go Anubhav for it?
I mean, look, he might have won the third round
Yeah.
convincingly, but I don't know if winning the third round and, you know, dropping the first 2 is enough to win the fight.
Probably not. This is going to go to the ref.
Look
Yeah.
at Nike.
scorecard.
Nike is not satisfied.
He wants a finish. Who's satisfied with the
finish.
decision win? Yeah, nobody's satisfied with the decision win. They want to finish their opponents, you know?
I think both the fighters are probably thinking they probably could have done a little bit more, perhaps.
All right, and now to Cargo in the cage with the results.
Winner by split decision. Blue corner, Anubhav, the cheetah, Kumar!
I was right.
Yeah, just winning the third round was probably not enough.
Yeah, winning the third round was not enough. And like, he didn't do enough in the first 2 rounds to really put a stamp on it. I know he's going to be disappointed in his performance. As you can see, he's a little mad, taking his gloves off, walking on the cage, not satisfied. He should have finished the fight. I think really put a stamp.
I think so. Anubhav took it very in a very smart manner,
Yeah.
not getting into Nike's territory
Yes.
and creating his own territory.
Tough match. Tough match already. Sorry to disappoint you, my guys. I thought I won. That's why I was going easy at the last. I thought I won. But I was actually tired. I thought I won. That's why the last round I was actually going slow because I had my shoulder injured. So it's still paining. That's why I couldn't punch properly with this hand, but that's not an excuse. It's just that I'm in pain, but as an Arunachali, I can still fight with a broken arm. I still don't know that I lost, but it's okay. It is what it is. Just a decision. I respect them. Thank you, Brian. Especially thanks. I wanted to thank my sponsors. Here's the guy. One of the sponsors, Mr. Cargo Buster, and a brother from my own mother, Age Omo. Where is he? Where is that Kung Fu Panda? And special thanks to Manas Doi Murray, because I was having an issue, my mental problem a little bit. I was pissed off at everything. He helped me. Yeah, actually I trained with him. He is my old teammate. And secondly, Midul Saikia. He came all the way from Guwahati. He's the MFN champ, flyweight champ. He came all the way from his home to my home just to help out his big brother. Thank you, brother. And really thanks to my students. Nikum, where is my little kid? Nandol, where is Lupa guy? There is my prodigy, Namdol. And you already saw Yamar is one of my students, the idiot guy. I don't know. I wanted to win. It's not an ending. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Okay. Have a good night. Ladies and gentlemen, Nike Singfo. अनुभव बहुत मुस्कुरा रहे हैं पहले से मुस्कुरा हंस रहे हैं क्या हम लखनऊ से हैं आप लखनऊ से हैं अच्छा तो अनुभव जी कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आपके रिकॉर्ड में 1 और विन और अरुणाचल कैसा सब कुछ आपके कुशल
यहाँ के फैन क्रेजी है बस चिल्लाते रहो पूरी फाइट लेके अगले बार आप लोग भी इसी में से कोई और भी आएगा फाइट करने के लिए हो सके तो अगले साल से पहले और पहले 6 महीने और फाइट में अच्छा लगा पाकर नाइकी की रही लास्ट राउंड में था जरूर हो गया पर कोई नहीं पर गिरा दिया भाई ने पर कोई नहीं आप लोगों को मजा आए बस यही लग रही है लव यू गाइस
Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, Anubhav, the Cheetah,